Gold has hit the highs at 2665, and again we have seen a little resilience at the same zone. Precisely these are the levels which we had seen in gold for last week, and likewise with the silver 30-40 levels which we had seen with the last session, again proven out to be a greater resistance here. So what to expect today from the metals? Can we expect a rise again, or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis with logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts of gold. See, this is the double top, which I'm talking about. Precisely the same levels have proven out to be resistance, and price has started to retrace from the same zone. Now, if you connect the dots, you can find out. See, ignore this noise here, and you will find that this is trading in this bullish channel. Now, again, today, if you see gold trading above 2652, we can initiate a buying entry. Expect 2656. Also, remember there is a gap left here, so possibly it may try to fill the gap beyond 2660 is where the bullishness is there, and then 2665, 2671 should be there. Moving averages crossed over here. Now interestingly, what has happened, see, I am noticing this, that previously 20 period was a support, it has breached this and now trying to fall back above. So I will wait for it to just trade about 2642. That will be the ideal level for us to take a buying position here. And if you look at the stock, I think this has dropped. The MACD also has crossed over. This is trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. So at the current levels right now, it is suggestive of slight bearishness. RSI is staying flat here. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, see what we had seen on the hourly charts, on the 2-hour charts, now 20 period moving averages have given it a support, and the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Also notice for the last few sessions, you can find out this 20-50 period moving average is definitely a greater support. So also notice the only bearishness today in gold is up below 2634. That is very, very clear. Now just I am noting down this observation here, because see, double top, almost symmetrical formation. It has come down to the same zone, and the direction it takes, it is going to be important, because see, now if it breaches on the downside, we are looking forward to a bottom towards 2600 level. So I'll definitely watch out how it behaves today. Any drop below 2634, 32 certainly is a sign of bearishness here, but I'm still seeing the support it is taking from the 20 period average here. The stock ISIC has dropped. The MACD is still in green. It has converged but not yet crossed over. And see, this is coming at a slightly lower level. So still there is a scope for further rise. The RSI is almost flat on the 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, couple of strong bullish candles, retracement, 20 period and the median support here. Also diminishing body size here. I will wait for it to show a reversal. Then what will happen, if it trades about 2652, this candle will become the reversal sign here. The second thing here is, see, this is still creating steps and the lower lows are done. So I'll still wait, because only selling entry appears to be below 2640-38 zone, and then also till towards 2634-32. It has got very, very strong support here. Stock ISIC has dropped here. The MACD is still in green. It has not yet crossed over for sell. The RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour, the observation remains. Another observation here in the 4-hour charts is the lower highs which it is creating. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to stay above 2652. That will be an ideal buying point for us. Also on the downside, the support levels here are pretty strong. And if you now see it is staying below 2644, 42. In fact, see, on the downside, I can see very, very strong support, though every support is meant to be taken. But yes, we have to be cautious here with the sells. See what a great thing it has shown, and post this swing we have seen it just consolidating. So wait for a breakout again today. And another thing to note here is the double top here. So this is something which is a caution point for me, because precisely it has reversed from the same zone, 2665. Now if you look at the stock ISIC, this has dropped. The MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, see, on the daily charts, one thing is important here, which I had shared several times. See, the drop started from here. This is precisely 2665. What prices did is it is retraced towards the same zone. It has created a double top. Now if it has to show a complete reversal, it has to break this zone because beyond this is where the bulls are waiting, because beyond 2665 ideally, in fact, it can move towards 2685 or 2700 zone. But right now what I am seeing this as, after this drop it is trading under retracement. Also notice it is still in this channel here. Now what has happened yesterday, see, first of all, one bullish candle, retracement and a bounce back. Now body size of this candle is greater than 50% of the complete move, which suggests that today again it can deliver a bullish candle. Possibility exists strong, and thus any move beyond 2665 should be a very good indication of a strong bullishness today again. Stochastic is flat, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards, and this crossover has come at a slightly lower level, so this might continue on the retracement journey. RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to now buy at 2652 levels and expect it to move towards 2656, 2660, 2665 and 2671. Beyond these four levels is where the real bullishness will be seen towards 2678, 2685, and then in fact 2700 is possible. But right now the momentum is not so strongly supportive of such a strong bullishness here. So let's see as in how it breaks past these levels, more bullishness should prevail. While on the downside, I will recommend is selling at 2642 levels, expect 2638, 2634, and then 2630. If these three levels are taken, we are looking forward to bearishness towards 2625. And if 2625 is taken, I think 2614 should be the next target and 2600 should prevail. Though chances for such a strong drop, I do not see any move. If at all, it has to be there with a stronger force that could be possibly on the upside. The downside, the support levels are pretty strong as of now. So let's see as in how it breaks here on the downside. Same, the bearishness will definitely increase. So take your positions accordingly. Let's move towards silver. Likewise, is silver on the hourly charts coming down to take the support from the 30 levels here. It is definitely proving out to be a greater support, and we know that this 29.90 and $30 zone is definitely a good support. Let's see if it breaches this zone here. Also remember, it is created slightly higher highs and moved towards 30-40 levels, which is indeed a very good resistance. Now for the day, I will recommend you to buy if you only see it above 30-20 levels. That is the ideal point beyond which you can see more bullishness here in silver. Notice on the hourly charts what's happening here. See, this is how it has been trading, higher lows, higher highs, and this time again it has come down towards the bottom of this zone. So now selling entries are only below 29.90. Let's see further. If you look at, see, it is creating a cusp here at 30-20, so wait for it to break beyond 30-20 in order to confirm further bullishness. Moving averages are definitely in green. It has these are running parallel, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is staying flat here. On the 2 hour charts, and you see similar observation. See, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support, and a breakout here might bring reversal. But right now the momentum is missing here. Thus wait for a breakout here. Moving averages crossing over here, definitely a good sign. See, now the 50 and 100 period moving average has also crossed over, which is again a very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD here has crossed over at the top. This is trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. And if you notice this first, second, so this is not so good sign for the bulls, because see, whenever it hits this zone, it always tries to retrace. Though it is not that we cannot see a further rise, but right now it is looking downwards and staying bearish. So wait for a crossover in MACD here. RSI has dropped on the 3 hour charts. The observation is more or less same. Retracement, support, 20 period moving average proving out to be a support. Wait for a breakout either which ways. Any move beyond 30-20 should be a very good indication for us to take a buying position. We can expect it to move towards 30-40, 30-60 zone, which is indeed a very good resistance. If you draw a parallel here, you can find out it is delivering slightly higher highs, slightly higher lows. Any breach below 29.90, 29.85 is not a good sign for the bulls. Though the moving averages after the crossover are staying bullish and are still on the buy side here, but I can see that the momentum on the buy side is missing. Stochastic has come towards the bottom while the MACD has crossed over here. This is trading with divergence, not so good sign for the bulls here on the 3 hour. And notice it is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is trading with divergence. It is right now trading with bearishness. RSI has dropped as well, coming to 4. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is same. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bullish, higher lows and higher highs here. Wait for a breakout here again. Above 30-20, certainly we can see more bullishness. 30-40, 30-60 can be there. Also notice how it has been trading here for the last few sessions. See the support it has created it far below at 2880. Since then it was trading in this box, and now it has given a breakout on the upside. So I'll wait for it to retrace, because today if it trades below 2990, 2980 zone, we can see a possible move towards 2950, 40, which should be a greater support, and below that it may show stronger momentum on the downside. Though the crossover here is not so supportive for such a great bearish move here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD again has crossed over here. This is not a good sign for the bull. So on the 3-hour charts and 4-hour charts, the crossover in MACD is not so strong, not so supportive sign for the bull. So this is something which we should be cautious of. RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice the preceding two candles, despite slightly higher highs and despite the bullishness, the body size is comparatively diminishing what we had seen on the very first trading session here. And this exercise is this suggests a bit of caution here, but yes, see, creating higher lows again, we can see a recovery and a rise here. So now, as long as the lows from the preceding candles are not taken, do not treat this as bearish. And this also makes now 2990, 2980 as a critical support zone for the day, because once it drops below 2990, 2980, we are looking forward to a greater correction in prices where 2960, 2940 levels can be seen. But as of now, we have to watch out, we have to wait the direction it takes. So 2990, 2980 should be a very good support zone for the day here. Also notice, it is after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. The lows here for this channel are towards now 2940, 2920 zone. The stochastic at top, MACD. Now this is interesting, because MACD crossing over here at the bottom, it and forming a double bottom suggests that silver is ready for a high fly here. So I'll say till on the downside till 2880, we have to not remain, or possibly we can expect a bounce back in silver here. RSI is rising as well. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 3020, where you can again expect 30, 40, 30, 60 as the next targets, and any move beyond 3060 is a clear sign of bullishness here. Beyond 3060, again we are looking forward to 31. In fact, 3150 is also possible very, very soon, because once it breaks out this hurdle here at 30, 40, 30, 60, stronger bullishness should be there. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 2980 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 2960, 2940. And if it breaks below 2940, stay short. We are looking forward to greater down move 2950, 29 or 2880. Till 2880, stronger support exists here for silver. Though I do not expect such a stronger correction, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.